If your garment looks like this for no reason, well, there is a reason. Maybe more than one reason. Let's understand few things about sewing in Marvelous Designer or Clo3D. When the cloth gets twisted horribly, this is where the pain starts. Trust me, I've been there. It's frustrating. When the cloth twists, the first thing you should check is the direction of the sewing. Here's how. When you sew in MD or Clo3D, there is a sewing direction. If you carefully look the 3D window, you can see the threads. Well, if you can't see them, go here and make sure to turn on this. Now, if you noticed, the threads are not straight like this. This means the sewing is reversed. And this is one of the core mistakes many beginners make, including myself once upon an ancient time. Now, to fix this, all you have to do is to select the Edit Sewing tool, click on the sewing in the 2D window, right click, reverse sewing. Once you do that, you can immediately see the threads are straight. You really want that. And that's it. You have solved one of the most common sewing mistakes in Marvelous Designer. Alright, cool. Beside this reverse sewing thing, there is another mistake most beginners make, which is different sewing lengths. When you sew two segments, there's a chance you can mistakenly sew different lengths on both segments. Well, in this case, you will get gathering fabric. To be honest, I love gathering, but when you are trying to make a clean sewing and there is gathering for no reason, it's bad. It feels weird. To solve this, you simply have to measure the sewing on both segments. Luckily, there's a cool tool that will do that for you, and it's Edit Sewing tool. And trust me, guys, it's really, really powerful. Simply select the tool, hover over the sewing, and it will show you the exact length and how much difference there is in the sewing. Now, if there is difference, just drag one of the sewing point and it will snap exactly when both sewings are the same. Isn't that awesome? I told you this tool is really, really powerful. Alright, now I really hope you understand the potential issues with sewing. Now let's keep this dry lecture aside and let's move to 2D versus 3D sewing. When you sew in Marvelous Designer or Clo3D, if you noticed, you can sew in both 2D and 3D. Well, yes, you have full freedom here, but there's a bit more to it than just freedom. If you're fairly new to Marvelous Designer or Clo3D, 3D sewings feels like heaven. Because it's direct sewing, you don't have to find the 2D pattern to sew. But if you take my suggestion, make a habit of sewing in 2D window. It's fast and efficient. Well, most of the time. But you can absolutely sew in the 3D window when two patterns are far from each other in 2D window. Alright, I want to quickly mention, if you want to make this leather jacket, I have complete course for it. Complete step-by-step, beginner-friendly. You can get it from my Gumroad page. The very first link is in the description. Now, get back to the video. Let's end this video with segment versus free sewing. There are two types of sewing. Well, more than two, but for starting, you just have to understand these two types. One is free sewing and another is segment sewing. Segment sewing, well, as the name says, it sews segment to segment. A segment simply means line in Marvelous Designer or Clo3D. So whenever you have two lines, you can segment sew pretty easily. Just select segment sewing, click on the first segment and then the other segment, and you're done. Although free sewing is a bit different. With this tool, you can sew freely on any segment you want. It doesn't matter if there are points in between. Its best use is when you need to sew a complete line and that line has several points. Alright, I'm planning to make a complete sewing tutorial for absolute beginner, so stay tuned for it. Or if you're watching this video way later, click here to watch it. And with that, thanks for watching. And special thanks to all my members. You guys are awesome.